Hello students, in the last video I have started the topic of multiple allelism, but because of some technical problem I was unable to complete it. So now we are going to start the topic of multiple allelism. Multiple means बहुत सारे alleles, यानी जब बहुत सारे alleles मिलके यानी more than two alleles control one character, so that is the example of multiple alleles. In this the most common example is blood group, that is the example of codominance also. Codominance मतलब जब एक साथ, for example in human the blood group is controlled by a gene I, and this I gene has three different types of alleles, IA, IB and IO, or you can write it in a small letter of I. Out of the three alleles, these two alleles are called dominant allele and this third one is called recessive allele. But as we know, human is a diploid organism, so it contains only two alleles. Means a human will contain any of the means out of the three any two combinations which will determine the blood group of human being. Like for example, suppose this one allele we are getting from father, this one from mother, that will decide our genotype and that will contribute for the formation of blood group. Suppose from father we are getting the blood जो allele IA and from mother also IA, so the combination of genotype will be IA, and as I told you IA is a dominant allele, so it's able to express its character the blood group A. Second, father, from father IA, from mother IO. IO is a recessive allele. Recessive allele means which is unable to show its character in the presence of dominant allele. The combination is IAIO and the resultant blood group will be A. Why A only? Because in these two combinations, IA is a dominant allele and this one is recessive allele. And according to that law of dominance, the dominant allele masks the feature of recessive allele that will represent as blood group A. Third example, from father allele IA, IB and from the mother IB. The combination IB and the blood group will be B because both are the dominant allele same. The next one is from father IB, from mother IO, the combination IB-IO. Again, because of the same reason, this is a dominant and this one is recessive allele. So this dominant allele will mask the feature of recessive and the resultant blood group will be B. The next one, from father IA, from mother IB, it's B. The combined genotype is IA-IB. As I told you, the both are dominant allele. Both will show their character and the resultant blood group will be AB. And next one, from father IO, mother also IO, both are recessive allele, homozygous recessive allele and the resultant blood group O. That means out of the three alleles we have the combination of any two. There are six possibilities are there. This six possibility will decides our blood group. Clear? On the behalf of it, suppose one question is given. A father has blood group A and mother blood group is B. A question is given that a father blood group is A and mother blood group is B and they have a child whose blood group is O. तो ये कैसे possible है? This we want to find out. So first of all, as we know, blood group O is possible is only in one case when both the alleles are of recessive, यानी IO. This we know क्योंकि O blood group तभी possible है जब दोनों recessive allele एक साथ combine करें. Second thing, अब यहाँ father का दे रखा है IA, means obviously we are diploid organism, तो दो alleles तो होंगी. अब एक allele तो IA तो होगी ही होगी because blood group is A. In the same manner, mother B, तो one allele will be IB. Clear? अगर हम यहाँ पे अब सेकेंड एलील IA कर दें, द सेकेंड एलील सपोज वी विल राइट IA and हेयर IB। तो एक पॉसिबिलिटी तो ये है कि हम IA और IB लेके चले। इन दिस मैनर जब हम इसे क्रॉस करके देखते हैं तो 2 एलिल्स IA गैमेट्स फॉर्मेशन के टाइम पे IB एंड when the alleles or gametes will combine at every time the blood group will be AB, means 100%, means every time. That means these are not possible genotype of the parent which will produce a child with blood group O. Second, अगर हम ये केस लेके चलें then also blood group will not come O in any of the case. If we will take in this manner, IA, IB, IO, then also in any of the case blood group O will not come. The last possibility is this: if we will take father allele IAIO and mother IBIO, when we will do it further, so here are the two types of allele, IAIO and here IBIO. Their combinations IAIB. Second combination of genotype IAIO. Third is IBIO and the last fourth is IOIO. So now both are dominant, so blood group will be AB. In this, dominant will show its character, blood group A. In this, blood group B, and in the last, blood group O. So in the question given, the child have blood group O. That means the possible genotype of parent of father it is IAIO and for the mother IBIO. On the basis of that, you may solve many of the questions which are related to inheritance of blood groups.